I stand. Meaningless words from a dying man. Please won't you tell me if you understand. Every cigarette smoke is a cut in my throat. I'm just trying to cope in this world of the damn. Lost hope, cannot find light. Someone please help me, I'm trying to fight. This ain't no depression, this is a recession. Just trying to find my way in life. Demons, they dragging the light and brag. Stuck in the middle, I'm feeling at home. Neutral beliefs, so my thoughts are my own. Just a being who's in his own zone. Happiness, but still I feel pissed. This world is so fucked, it's just a remiss. Feel the kiss from the lips, the woman of death. So now I feel bliss. Tone to my fucking dome. Never had praise, so I sit in silence. This is what I have become. So when I die, this will be my mindset.